Welcome to the brand new 2024 Cadillac Escalade Sport in crystal white. This SUV is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Escalade, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, integrated trailer braking, button-activated driving modes, 7.2-inch touchscreen that controls your heads-up display and gauge cluster, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 16.9-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter, audio, and navigation controls can be found here in the center console, AKG audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Escalade, starting off with the 22-inch wheels paired up with Bridgestone Alenza tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles with LED strips, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, Cadillac badge in the center of the Sport grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Automatic step assist come on once the doors are open and retract once the doors are closed. Roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have clear taillights. Escalade, Cadillac, and 600 badging can all be found here on the hatch, and the twin Vaderchrome tipped exhaust. Heading back inside the Escalade, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row. USB-C charging ports are on either side of the vehicle. AKG audio continues throughout the SUV. In the center console, we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control. Below that, cup holders come out at the press of a button. We also have two more USB-C charging ports and a power outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 Cadillac Escalade Sport. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.